I'm Kate, and I have a fun little craft project idea for you for the fall. It's this little beaded fall corn made out of pony beads and 3 pipe cleaners. And this is especially great for anyone who is working on developing their fine motor skills, although of course our young friends will need supervision using these small parts. With this example, I used yellow, orange, and purple beads, and I put them just sort of in a random pattern. I was trying to make it look natural and look like flint corn, which is that decorative corn that you see everywhere in the fall. However, if you wanted, you could try practicing your patterns by doing a different pattern on each section of the pipe cleaner. So maybe you do one that's orange, yellow, and another one that's orange, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, or purple, orange, yellow, purple, orange, yellow. So many patterns to try. I think that could make this really fun too. The first step is to take your 3 pipe cleaners, find the middle, sort of fold them at the middle, and then twist that middle a couple times so that you end up with this little 6-legged spider. The next step is simply to string beads onto your pipe cleaners, leaving probably about 1 inch at the end of the pipe cleaner with no beads on it. Your last step is to gather up all 6 pipe cleaners and give them a little twist at the top. And your corn is done! I used some patterns in this one. I wonder if you can spot them.